Hey everyone, James of Pop Metal Repair. What we have here are a set of 1951 Buick hood latch levers, and as you can see, they came in pretty rough. A lot of pitting, and a lot of that pitting was all the way through, as you can see here. But the tops were all covered with pits, and there's a crack right here that you see that was literally tightened down too tight, caused a crack, and bend. This is the other side of that, and both sides were pretty rotten on this, but yeah, they were just pretty bad. But here's the underside of the actual lever, which the edges were all chewed up, and we cleaned the decay off of them. But the top of the levers were just as bad. And in one instance, this little area right here, that was tough to repair, but we got it done in this photo here. But here's the finished product of the two. They turned out really good. And as you can see here, their underside of the lever looks pretty good. The edges are all refilled in and shaped. That's the other lever. It was in pretty good shape, not too bad. But this here is the finished product. Anyhow, if you have any questions or comments regarding a project that you have, or just would like to speak to us about something, feel free to give us a call at 707-621-5052, and I'd be happy to talk to you. Or you can text that number with photos and a description. Always more than welcome to receive text messages, or you can send them directly to me at james@popmetal.repair. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching our video, and much appreciate the likes and the comments.